Welcome to today's daily message. Today we celebrate the feast of St. John of the Cross. St. John of the Cross lived during the 16th century. He was a Carmelite priest. He was a partner with St. Teresa of Avila. And John of the Cross was also a church reformer. He lived during a century in which there was both reform against the church, the Protestant Reformation, and also movements toward reform within the church. And that's the work that John of the Cross undertook at first. And because of his reform efforts, he paid a severe price. He was persecuted, ridiculed, and eventually was imprisoned because of his work. But it was in prison that John of the Cross found his most profound gift. It was there that he became a mystic, and he has written spiritual classics like The Ascent to Mount Carmel. So we can look to John of the Cross for a couple of reasons. First of all, because of his devotion to the church and his devotion and work for the church to become what it should have always been. And second, St. John of the Cross teaches us that we never know where or when or how we will find our own greatest gift. No matter how old we are, no matter what stage in life we may be, it's never too late to us to discover some new gift that God has given us, a gift that we can share with others and share with the world. Thank you for watching today.